My husband and I had the dream to kind of change the pace. We worked in the big city. I was in marketing, he's in business, and we decided to change and kind of look into farming. We had the hardest learning curve because we are not coming from a background of lavender or farming or anything that belongs to actually working with the land. We came together and learned everything by mistake and another mistake and another mistake, and it's just a learning curve every step you do, and this is life. When you visit the farm, you can expect a really nice aroma in the air first. When you open your door of your car, you immediately will hit the sweet aroma of the lavender and the relaxation in the air. The drive here from town is just gorgeous, and all the cows and all the beautiful horses, and then you come here and you see all those beautiful colors. It's really raw looking and beautiful, and when you get close, you will see all of the different varieties, 147 species, and each one of them has their own aroma, has their own shape, sizes, and uses, and you're getting the experience of getting close, harvesting the one that you like with the aroma that you want, with the shape and color that you want, and you create a beautiful bouquet. It will be with varieties of colors, and if you dry it, it's good for 4 years. We are definitely focusing on family time, enjoying relaxation, and just being yourself in good time.